Hello students, today we learn about the parts of transit theodolite. Okay, the theodolite is fixed on the tripod. So the tripod is going to contain 3 legs. I have used the word as a transit because of the telescope in the theodolite can be rotated in the vertical plane. So that's why the theodolite is called as a transit theodolite. Okay, so we'll start from the base. The theodolite contains 2 plates. The one is lower plate and one is upper plate. So both together we can call it as a leveling head. So in between these 2 plates there are 3 foot screws. By the help of these 3 foot screws we can do the leveling of the theodolite. Okay, and the next you can see there are 2 clamps. So one is a upper clamp and one is a lower clamp. Okay, so these are used to fix the theodolite, means the rotation of the theodolite can be controlled by the help of these 2 clamp screws. So when I am going to tight both the clamp screws, the theodolite will not rotate. If I am going to lose the lower clamp, the complete theodolite is rotated. Okay, so again if I tied the lower clamp and if I am going to lose the upper clamp, only the upper part of the theodolite it is rotating. So these 2 foot screws are very important while measurement of the horizontal angles. Okay, so again we'll see there are 2 plates. So one is a lower plate and one is a upper plate. Okay, so these 2 plates are used for the measurement of the horizontal angles. The lower plate contains main scale and upper plate contains vernier scale. So this is a vernier A, so where the vertical circle is there na, so that side is there vernier A and this side vernier B is there. So for the measurement of the horizontal angles, both main scale and vernier scales are used. Okay, so after this one you can see there are 2 frames. This is a one A frame and here this is a one more A frame. So both together they are called as a standards. So which are like a support for the telescope and vertical circle. And again we can see here there is a one plate level, so which is going to contain one bubble. So while before starting of the experiment you have to do with the help of a foot screw the leveling of the theodolite. So once the theodolite is leveled, the bubble which is there in the plate level, it will come at the center. Okay, so after this one, so we can see the vertical circle. Okay, the vertical circle is used to measure the vertical angles and the horizontal circle is used to measure the horizontal angles. As in the same of the horizontal angle, the vertical circle also contains 2 verniers. This is vernier C and vernier D. So while taking the vertical angles, you need to take vernier C and vernier D readings. Above the vertical circle you can see there is a one bubble which is called as a altitude level. Okay, so while taking the vertical angles you have to make that the bubble which is there in the altitude level should come at the center, then only you can start with the experiment. Okay, so after this one, so we'll learn about the telescope. You can see this is a telescope. Okay, so the telescope is used to bisect the object. You can observe the object by the help of the telescope. So which is contain eyepiece and object lens. Okay, the focusing screw is there near the eyepiece. By the help of this one you can make the crosshairs clear. Okay, So by the help of this focusing screw you can make the object clear. Okay, if you want to like a control, or if you want to stop the rotation of the telescope, you can use this vertical clamp screw. So if you are going to tight it, the telescope will not rotate. So if you are going to lose it, it will rotate. Okay, so this is used while taking the vertical angles. Okay, and also you can see here here one tangent screw is there. So this is used for the minor adjustment in the vertical circle. As the same, the vertical clamp screw, or you can say that vertical tangent screw, there are again two tangent screws there. So here one is there and here one is there. So these are used for the minor adjustment of the movement of this horizontal circle. So whenever you are going to use it, so before that one, these two clamp screws should be tightened. Okay, so this is all about the parts of the theodolite. Thank you.